An organization has been seeing increased levels of malicious traffic. The security analyst want to take more proactive approach to identify the threat and acting against the organization's network. Which of the following approaches should the security analyst recommend? Option A, use the MITRE attack framework to develop that threat models. Option B, conduct internal threat research and establish indicators of compromise. Option C, review the parameter firewall rules to ensure the rule act accuracy. Option D, use SCAP scan to monitor the configuration against changes on the network. Correct answer is option D. Next, a company's change management team has asked a security analyst to review a potential change to the email server before it is released into production. The analyst reviews the following changes request. See this information. Which of the following is most likely reason for the change? Option A, to reject email from servers that are not listed in the SPF record. Option B, to reject email from the email addresses that are not digitally signed. Option C, to accept email to the company's domain. Option D, to reject email from the users who are not authenticated to the network. Correct answer is option A. Next, a software development team asked a security analyst to review some code for security vulnerabilities. Which of the following would best assist the security analyst while performing this task? Option A, static analysis. Option B, dynamic analysis. Option C, regression testing. Option D, user acceptance testing. Correct answer is option C. See the next one. The management team assigned the following values to the inadvertent breach of privacy regulation during the original risk assessment. Probability 25%, magnitude $1,015 per record, total records 10,000. Two breaches occurred during the fiscal year. The first compromised 35 records and the second compromised 65 records. Which of the following is the value for the record that were compromised? The correct answer is option A, this one, $10,150. Next one. An analyst has received a notification about potential malicious activity against a web server. The analyst logs into the central log collection server and runs the following command. See the given command. Which of the following attack has occurred on the server? Option A, cross-site request forgery. Option B, SQL injection. Option C, cross-site scripting. Option D, directory transversal. Correct answer is option C. Next, a security analyst has discovered malware is spreading across multiple critical systems and is originating from single workstations which belong to the member of cyber infrastructure team who has legitimate administrator credentials. An analysis of the traffic indicates the workstation swept the networking looking for vulnerable hosts to infect. Which of the following would have worked the best to prevent the spread of this infection? Option A, vulnerability scan of a network and proper patching. Option B, a properly configured and updated EDR solution. Option C, a honeypot used to catalog the anomalous behavior and update the IPS. Option D, logical network segmentation and the use of jump boxes. Correct answer is option A. Next, Chief Executive Officer is concerned about the company's intellectual property being leaked to competitors. The security team performed an extensive review but did not find any indication of an outside breach. The dataset are currently encrypted using the triple data encryption algorithm. Which of the following course of action is appropriate? Option A, limit all access to the sensitive database geographic access requirement with strict role-based access control. Option B, enable data masking and re-encrypt the dataset using AES 256. Option C, ensure the data is currently classified